I work 6 years in Carnival and 22 years in Royal Caribbean. The ship is my house, and Philippines is only my vacation. We stay 6 to 8 months in ship, and we stay 2 months only in Philippines. We are happy because some of the port, there is no Filipino restaurant.
This store started back in 2012, and then it was specifically only for the cruise ship crew who are mostly Filipinos. Filipino actually are known for feeding people. That they said that it's an expression of love. This Aklan Filipino buffet in Miami and then the Culture Filipino store here in Miami, it's a gift of love for the American people.
So everybody in the ship really miss the food, miss to do so many things like sending money to their families, balikbayan box. They call that balikbayan box if they want to ship something for their family. Even they can go outside, their time is limited. They have only 2 hours break, so they cannot go do so many things. They just have to eat, make grocery for themselves, and send money. But the rest, they just have. They ask us to do some assistance to it. As long as whatever the help that they wanted from us, and we can do it for them.
Every week, if we have time, we go here because we like to eat Filipino food. Especially the rice. Because Filipino loves rice. They said that no rice, no power. The people, they treat you like a family member. Here, it's like that.
And the ambience and the service and the ambience itself and they are like families. It's our culture. Like if you come, and they will welcome you with open heart and with smile always.